What quality control system should pop-up drink stands use for boba? Pop-up drink stands should use simple but effective quality control systems like standard recipes, regular taste tests, and cleanliness checks to ensure their boba drinks are consistently good and safe for customers. Quality control for boba at pop-up stands means making sure every drink tastes just right and is safe to drink. First, using a standard recipe is very important so that the sweetness, tea strength, and boba texture stay the same every time. This means measuring ingredients carefully each time you make a drink. Next, regular taste testing helps catch any changes in flavor early so you can fix problems before serving customers. Cleanliness is another big part of quality control because boba ingredients like tapioca pearls can spoil if not stored properly or if the stand is not kept clean. Some stands also check the temperature of the tea in the boba to make sure they are fresh and safe. An interesting fact is that some boba pearls can become hard if they sit too long, so timing how long the pearls are kept before serving is a small but important detail many don't realize. Keeping records of these checks helps stands track how well they are doing and identify any recurring problems. One common mistake is not following the same recipe every time, which can confuse customers who expect the same taste. The fix for this is to write down the exact measurements and steps clearly and make sure everyone working at the stand follows them. Another problem is poor hygiene or storage, which can lead to bad flavors or even food safety issues. A quick tip here is to clean utensils and containers frequently and keep boba pearls in covered containers at the right temperature. Lastly, some stands forget to test their drinks regularly, assuming everything is fine when small changes have occurred. Setting a daily routine for tasting drinks before opening will prevent this issue and keep the quality consistent. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.